finally, we have here with us the Honda City Hatchback kasi hindi kami nakapag-attend ng launch niya last time. And during that time, Honda received both good and bad reactions because siya yung pumalit kay Honda Jazz. So now, we will see if it is a worthy replacement. Unlike the Jazz, the Honda City Hatchback has only one variant, which is itong RS, and it is priced at 1,115,000 Philippine pesos, which is also the same price ng Honda Civic na base model. So later, pag-uusapan din natin kung mas okay ba itong City dun sa Civic na yon. In front, walang pinagkaibang Honda City Hatchback sa sedan and they look exactly the same. And since this one is RS, it has a full LED lighting here in front. So meron siyang LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and even the fog lights are LEDs. Tapos since RS nga siya, meron siyang blacked out na grille plus honeycomb pattern na grille dito sa baba niya, which is also the same sa Honda Civic na hatchback, which is not yet available here in our country. Tapos, sa baba, you also have a faux carbon fiber na accent sa lower bumper. And overall, it looks very striking and stand out when you see it outside. Plus, compare mo sa Honda Jazz, this one looks meaner. Tapos yung Honda Jazz, mas mukha kasing mas cute. At the side, dito mo talaga makikita yung main difference ng hatchback dun sa sedan. So, starting dito sa half, all the way to the back, dun mo makikita. And if I'm not mistaken, yung door niya, it's the same design with the sedan. So ito kung napapansin nyo, mas maigsi siya dito sa likod because it's a hatch. It still has the same wheel design with the sedan, but this time, Berlina black na yung color niya. And it's 16-inch alloy wheels wrapped in 185/55 Dunlop tires. Meron din siyang power folding side mirrors with LED turn indicators. And since RS nga siya, blacked out yung kanyang side mirrors. At the back, if the sedan looks like a BMW 3 Series, then the hatchback looks like a BMW 1 Series or even a Mercedes A-Class. BMW is probably less flattered though, but still it looks very nice. It has a LED combination taillights. It has a nice small rear spoiler. Meron siyang reverse camera and meron siyang diffuser dito with faux carbon fiber design. And ang only thing na medyo pangit dito is yung kanyang exhaust kasi very bare siya. Sana nilagyan nila ng finisher para mas maganda. So now, let's check the cargo capacity. As you can see, sa loob, kasyang-kasya ang isang mountain bike. And meron tayong 841 liters of cargo capacity kapag naka-fold yung second row seats. So, tara, labas natin. So now, we will be folding the seats up. There. So the standard cargo capacity, right now, you have 289 liters of cargo capacity. And it's very decent enough. Malaki na siya actually kung titignan nyo eh. Tapos sa loob, you still have your storage, your tools, and your spare tire. If you watch our Honda City RS review before, so magiging familiar na kayo dito sa interior niya kasi it's basically the same. Lahat parehas except for one thing, which is the seat. So, yung design ng seat So, everything dito, same shape pa rin siya. Same material actually. May cloth dito, tapos may suede dito. But, ang difference lang niya this time is dun sa edges niya, meron na siyang red and black fabric material, which really looks very sporty. Like, ito siya, around it, and even dito sa headrest meron. Tapos sa dashboard, ganun pa rin lahat, hard touch plastic, pero alam mong quality material na plastic siya. And ito, mukha pa rin siyang malambot. And then below, you have your leather material here with red stitching. Tapos dito sa door panels, hard touch plastic, pero meron ka namang leather dito sa armrest mo and red stitching pa rin. Tapos, yun, meron kang black na headliner since RS siya. For the steering wheel, same pa rin naman siya na leather wrap steering wheel with red stitching around it. And nandito yung volume controls mo on the left and your cruise control on the right. Plus, meron siyang paddle shifters dito. And ito yung horn niya. Hindi namin siya gano'n type kasi medyo more on mas Toyota yung tunog niya kaysa sa Honda. But okay naman na din. And then, what's surprising about this is tilt and telescopic siya, which is very nice. Tapos, For the instrument cluster, it's analog gauges na may display sa gitna. It's very, very simple, but maganda naman yung pagiging simple niya, lalo na when meron siyang ilaw. So with the red accents, it's very good. Tapos here you have an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yung user interface niya, same pa rin naman sa sedan. It's very easy to use, very simple lang, ayan. Responsive naman siya and hindi nagwa-wash out yung screen niya. Tapos, tatry natin yung sa Apple CarPlay. So ito, saksak natin. So there, ang napansin ko lang dito sa Apple CarPlay na display niya, parang medyo mataas yung vibrance niya. But I guess, okay lang naman na din kasi nagagawa naman niya yung work niya well. And then below, you have your single zone AC controls. And then meron siyang physical knobs, which I really, really like. Sarap niya paglaruan. Below, you have more storage, your USB port for your infotainment system, and then another USB port for charging lang. And then meron kang 12-volt power outlet. Below, you also have another storage, 2 cup holders, your icon button, your shifter, another storage here, and meron kang dalawang storage dito na perfect for your phones. Nakasyang-kasya lang siya. And then, center armrest with a decent storage inside. Here in the second row, talagang una ko napansin is yung space niya kasi ang laki-laki ng space dito. You can see yung legroom ko malayo and kaya ko pa i-extend yung mga paa ko. Eh, tapos dito naman sa headroom, sakto-sakto lang siya and kasi nga hatch siya, so sloping pababa dito, so medyo malapit na. But I'm 5 feet and 5 inches, so tama lang naman yung size dito. And napansin nyo, medyo mababa yung tunnel niya, or actually medyo non-existent na nga, so talagang nakatulong siya sa space. And then you have back pocket here on the passenger side sa likod, and then you have your aircon vents, you have your 12-volt power outlet na dalawa, plus meron ka pang extra space dito sa baba na pwede mong paglagyan ng mga small things mo dito. Tapos sa seats naman niya, meron siyang center armrest with 2 cup holders. And what's nice about this is yung headrest niya, adjustable siya. Yung sa sedan, hindi siya adjustable. Ito at least, pwede mo siyang i-adjust based on your preference. Tapos yung seats nga niya, it's based sa Jazz. So it's called U.L.T.R. So yung nakita nyo kanina, yung may bike, naka-fold yung seat pa ganito. Pero this time, pwede natin siyang i-fold naman pataas. So let's try it. So meron ditong handle na hihilain mo lang, ayan. Tapos ilalock mo siya. So ayan, nakalock na siya. Ganun din naman dito sa kabila. Ipupulang natin tong metal. Tapos ilalock mo siya ng ganyan. Ayan. So ayan, laki na ng space mo. Pwede kang maglagay ng kung ano-ano dito. So ngayon, nakikita nyo, tinry namin ipasok ng buo itong bike and almost kasya na siya. Hindi mo nga lang masasara yung mga doors. I mean, that door, hindi mo siya masasara kasi nakalabas ng konti yung wheels niya. But, if tinanggal natin to, kasi natatanggal to, for sure, kasyang-kasya na siya dito sa loob. The Honda City Hatchback is powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder dual overhead cam iVTEC engine, and as expected, it has the same engine with the sedan and it's a little upgrade from the Honda Jazz. It produces 120 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque paired to a CVT. So let's bring it out on a test drive. Safety features on the Honda City Hatchback are 6 airbags, vehicle stability assist, hill start assist, ABS, EBD, emergency stop signal, and ISOFIX child seat anchor points. We have driven the Honda City twice now. So yung V at saka yung RS last time, and this one, ito na yung third time. And wala pa rin siyang difference as expected kasi same naman yung engine specs niya. And masarap pa rin siyang i-drive. Lalo na when you're in the city or kapag wala ka sa city, okay na okay pa rin siyang i-drive. As what I've said, it's really good. It's very smooth. Tapos wala pa siyang mga delay or lag. So it's very responsive. Apak mo pa lang, aandar ka na agad, mafe-feel mo na yung pull niya. So maganda talaga. Of course, this is a CVT and hindi naman tayo nag-expect much from it. But since gawa to ni Honda, alam natin na maganda yung quality ng gawa nila. And true enough, it's really smooth and it made the drive comfy. When you're going fast na, maganda yung pagka-tune ng CVT niya because hindi siya kagaya ng iba na nag-hold sa mataas na RPM. So, yung sound nagda-drag na. Hindi siya ganun. It's not dragging. So, hindi okay siya pakinggan. When it comes to steering, parang ang naalala ko is mas lighter yung sa sedan compared dito. So, ito medyo mas mabigat yung steering feel niya. But, it's nice kasi masarap siyang gamitin lalo na sa mga curvy roads, sa mga turns. Mas stable siya and mas sporty yung feeling. Thanks to that, mas stable siya and mas fun and nimble siya i-drive. Tapos yung steering wheel pa niya, it's medyo thick siya, so mas sporty yung feeling, mas masarap i-drive. For the visibility, it's excellent. Okay yung visibility dito sa harap and also dito sa windows on the side. And also the side mirrors are just the right size for this vehicle. Yung sa likod nga lang, yung C-pillar niya medyo malaki siya. So, medyo challenging. Pero, thanks to the reverse camera, mas mabilis mo naman siyang maipapark if you need it. The ride quality is excellent. Hindi siya matagtag. Okay siya. It absorbs the mga lubak very well. Tapos, pagdating naman sa road noise, wala siya gaanong road noise. Tapos, sa wind noise, almost non-existent. Kaya lang, during our shoot yesterday na medyo umuulan, so medyo maririnig mo yung mga tubig dun sa kanyang mga gulong, sa side ng gulong, if sa likod ka nakaupo. Overall, it's really a nice car and talagang it's comfy here inside. Sa labas, titignan mo para siyang maliit, pero when you're inside, ang laki ng space niya, lalo na kapag apat kayo, kasya-kasya kayo. And honestly, kami lahat sa team, we would love to have one kasi aside from maganda yung design niya, yung performance niya, tamang-tama, and the space, everything is very good. Para naman sa fuel economy, on the highway, I got 20 kilometers, around na sa ganun, 20 kilometers per liter. Okay na yun. Okay na okay actually. Plus, sa city naman, yung nakuha ko ngayon is nasa around 11 to 12 kilometers per liter, which is expected for this kind of vehicle, this size na sasakyan. Although wala siyang charm ng Jazz, malayo siya doon, it can still stand on its own as a separate model because it's well-equipped, performs well, plus it's very practical and comfortable. And i-compare mo siya sa base model ng Honda Civic, this one is a better choice because of its equipment plus overall experience.